happens on the first day of spring.
It snows.
We're gonna get a couple bales. I think we're only feeding 3. We'll double check these feeders and see if they need any. And if they do, then we'll feed more over here.
Look at that monkeys running.
And then, yeah, so everything's a little mucky and wet. Just because
We're okay.
it's on roll 1. Because of the snow, which will bring out the mud.
Yep.
Good times. So we should see the rhino crew showing up here at the gate shortly, but we are gonna grab the first bale that goes over here. And
Our poo baby's dead again.
oh good, the poo baby's dead. Good. Oh yeah, I see the rhino.
Wouldn't want this poor farmer to have to get out. Oh, last row.
This bale stack's near done. We'll feed the 2 off the top,
That's
and that's the end of the
We're not
row.
gonna have near enough carryover. Like 300 or 400 isn't enough.
Oh my goodness. And there's people counting their bales because they don't know if they'll make spring.
Oh, right. Yeah, well, I'm a little bit of a hoarder. Just a little. Oh, that feeder's empty.
Which feeder?
That one feeder's right empty.
All right. Well, it looks like we're feeding a couple, 2 in here. One in the feeder and unrolling one. The other 2 I can see, hey, halfway up still. So we'll go grab one more. So 2 to these guys and 2 to the heifers. Not a bad day. Pretty easy peasy. You want to see something? I'll show you.
Oh, no, that's twine.
That's not what I was going to show them. There's a twine bale for the kids.
Am I gonna get?
They're going to
We're
throw
gonna
it
have
back.
a mutiny.
I'm wearing short pants because I was hoping for sunshine today, not snow.
I gotta work tomorrow again.
Good. All right, so we're gonna feed these 2 over here, and then 2 in the replacement heifer pen, and that's it. That's today's first day of spring feeding. Only, lots more to go.
Only like 300 more days of feeding.
It's not 300. We feed till June 1st,
And 300 more days.
so probably 300 more bales.
Oh. We do have 300 bales, thank God. Otherwise, we'd be all. Where's he going?
I'm not sure where he's going, but he's leaving. I guess I'm getting out to cut that wrap because
Where'd
I
your brother go?
don't know where everybody's doing. So, all right, I'll probably bring you back in a little bit. You know, you live in the north and a little bit of snow doesn't bother you when you wear short pants and rubber boots. And I just thought I'd share with you, our boot wash lake is back. He's gonna try to trench it to drain over the through. So breaking another bale for it. We always have a puddle there. We call it the boot wash puddle. A little puddle is great. A great big lake like this, it kind of sucks. I don't know if this plan's working. So it is draining a little bit. All right, hold on. This is the... Oh, come on. Gotta have a little fun when you're out feeding, right? So here's our spring snowstorm. See, there's even snow on the hood of the tractor. Yay!
And then there's our show coming.
So we held off bedding until the snow stopped, because really, why would you bed if it continues snowing? Because you'll have to do it again. And the sun has come out, so it has warmed up a bit. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's warmer. I don't have it too bad.
Calves are laying in the snow.
So we got a bunch of calves laying in the snow. So we're in the bedding tractor. We're gonna grab some straw. Probably 5 bales or 4 bales at least of straw. Will be shredded. And I got a couple calves in the barn that need to be tagged and kicked out into the snow. It's kind of a crappy deal.
Because our barn is muddy, so.
But the barn is wet because the ground is thawing, and so they'll be less likely to get sick outside. And I really don't want to feed them water in the barn because that's not fun, feed water. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Just, spring snowstorm cleanup.
Put out straw. Thank God for a bale buster.
We got the Brooklyn helping.
Hayden's out of friends.
Hayden went for a sleepover. He ditched the farm chores for the day. But that's okay. Every once in a while you need a break from farm chores.
And Brooklyn gets lots of sleepovers, so it's only fair. Usually Peyton's stuck with just mom and dad.
I think he's putting one in the shredder, one on the back, and one on the forks.
2 on the forks.
2 on the forks?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. So we're going to go into the pen with 4 bales on. He's going to do the 2 on the forks.
There's straw there, light.
So, we don't normally haul 2 on the forks, but then we don't have to open the gates so many times.
Should be able to bed everything in here.
Then,
just one more.
And then, we got to clean out the barn a little bit, add some fresh straw in there. And then I want to feed everybody with the other tractor. If it was just
too wide to get through the whole.
Yeah, if it was just the pairs we had to breed and throw some bales and feeders, we'd use this one when we were shredding.
We just shred a bale out there, but
we gotta get in the bullpen, and this tractor doesn't fit in the bullpen. So 2 straw bales on the front, and we'll put 2 straw bales on the back, and go and give these guys somewhere to lay down that's not in the snow.
Mud or snow.
Yeah, the sun's coming out, so the snow's melting and turning to mud really quickly.
Those were really quickly it'll turn to mud.
Because,
that's what we get here.
love the mud.
This time of year, that's what happens.
I guess. I gotta get out and open the gate. Yay! Say hello, Hazel. Alright, so here's the great backer upper. We got one going in, and then he'll stick one on that fork, and then he'll come in here with all 4 straw bales. This gate. I don't know if anybody checked this. Bruce did a quick walkabout earlier today. And see the mud forming. Just want to check. Make sure you got nobody laying in here. We didn't bring the vet box out, but if I have to run to the house and get it because we got a sick one, then I'll go get it. I'm gonna close this gate so we don't have any escapees. Uh-oh. He broke a shear pin. I don't know if he's got one in there, if he ever brought that bag out. I bought him a whole bunch more. Might be running to the house. Oh, looks like he found one. Put a new bolt in there, and then we'll be off and running to shred all these bales. The sun is really bright on the snow. There he goes, and he gets Brooklyn, the co-captain. I'm standing at the gate. I don't know. It's not cold out. It's actually quite enjoyable to be outside. Just the snow's bright. Just wanting some sunglasses. Here, freaking. A little bit to the fence for the bulls, makes them happy. So, I don't know, a week ago, not quite Friday, it was Friday, Bruce took the bulls in for semen check for breeding. I had to go to work, so I didn't get to go, but they all passed, so we're good on the ones that we have over the winter, the 4. We got the 3 Sementals and 1 Angus, and then we did purchase 2 more that will be coming in April. So when they get delivered, we will show them off. Oh! A little bit of flying straw at us. So we'll have 6 bulls for this breeding season. I'm going to let everybody out May 1st. I got to figure out my math for my AI cycles, because I will AI some of the heifers before the bulls, and I'll let the bulls tune up. That's just the chemical, or the little Angus guy that does those ones. So, I didn't AI anything last year due to a broken collarbone, but the year before I just watched for natural standing heat, and sorry, I have straw that attacked me. I watched for natural standing heat, and I AI'd them that way. The consumption rate was actually pretty good. I did really well for my first year. But this year I think I might cycle them. I don't know, I haven't decided. But I need to do that soon and do the math of how many days I need to get that all prepared and stuff purchased that I need. So there's still 38 in this pen. These 2 pens, I should say. 38. 38 losers. I'll bring you back in a little bit. We got a calf today. This is Cora and her baby Aurora.
Cora Tan.
Sorry, Cora Tan, because we have Cora Black too.
We had oopsie.
So, this is a half sister to Brooks 4-H heifer. Say mama.
Might even be a full sister. We're not sure.
Say mama.
Might be same daddy too.
Temperament.
Yep.
Nice looking calf.
Very nice calf. Heifer calf.
Get your heifer to turn around so she can be on YouTube too. Hey Aurora. She's looking to eat some more. Why'd you lay down on her? Oh, is that so? Then tell them to like and subscribe. Hey?
Marbles.
And then we still have the zoo.
Marbles the mounter.
Hold on. We're going back. We just brought some straw in, because we still have some more to calve out. So we've got the macaroni. Here's the Layla. She's new to the pen. And Waffles. So Brooklyn's cow calved the other day and prolapsed. And we ended up with another bottle calf. We did find a home for Earl, so he's not in here anymore. But we have the 3 of them. Waffles is being a pain in the butt. She wants them out. So. So, anyways, this is our zoo. The kids will come out and feed them here shortly. Just about lunchtime for these guys. Brought salt to these girls. They're all curious what the rhino is. It's been so long since they've seen it. I didn't. I didn't do it.
Roxy. See, I am a front seat dog.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Roxy, come on, look.
Just leave her, she's fine.
You are a front seat dog?
Sit.
Hi, baby.
Kiss Dad.
Don't you dare. I see you lick your own butt.
I'm least so worried about the butt, it's the pizzas.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
That's our bad first caver right there. Jumped the head gate, so our tag never got changed.
Mud. Look, mud.
Look, mud! Yay, mud!
More Mars. That's
Mars. We got a couple.
There's strawberry right there.
Yeah. Here's Strawberry. That's Bailey's calf. She lost her ear tag.
There's set up. Oh no, Nikki, sorry.
That's Nikki by the Bale feeder. Oh, here's Jenny. She wasn't tasting no Bale today. Oh,
Jenny.
we got some high boy hider outers. Offspring from 89, and then that calf with the white face that just got out, that's her new calf this year.
Just kicked out of the barn yesterday.
Yeah.
It's a little bit sore in the front end from being cold.
Yeah, he's huge. Like, to look at him, like, look at how big that calf is. That calf was born 3 days ago. And the calf that's butt's facing us,
well, one right there was born a month ago.
Yeah, 116, that tan one's a month old. And then the one behind it was born 3 days ago. Like, he's gigantic.
They don't know.
He's walking good though.
Yeah.
Well, it's not your mom's fault.
Yeah, it is. It's 86.
89's up there. That's where we lost her cow.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Miracle.
She laid on.
We have a gray calf out here somewhere. I don't know where that went. Wendy's calf's up at the shelter. Where's our gray calf?
Serves her right.
This one right here, that was a bottle calf. That's Nikki.
She's got a mommy.
She now has a mommy. 126 Bandit's missing its pasture tag.
Bandit would have been a good 40
Hi,
steer.
Susie.
Moved his tag out, so. There's the other one we picked up this way.
There's the other one right there. This 69. Her name's Seven. Looks like she has a 7 on her head. And then that's her tag calf underneath named Link. Link got kicked outside this year. Yeah. We do have one gray calf. It was a twin. It's right here. It's laying down right here. 124, Faith. She's hard to see that she's gray because she's laying down. Mama's standing right behind her.
That's
That one lost its ear.
Oh, it's not Faith. It's Feta. Sorry. Her name is Feta Cheese. Macaroni's sister. Wait for it. Wait for it. Who's that driving my tractor? All by himself. Can you see who's in there? It's sedated. Look at who drove the tractor and parked it all by himself.
You can open the other door.
What a kid.
Oh my God, I want to take him home. We can put him in the truck.
We could put him in the truck.
We can put him in the truck. Look at him.
There